we'll see how to print this pattern. See, if you observe this pattern, in this pattern there are seven rows totally. Okay, 7 rows totally, and in the first row, if you observe, there are spaces. Okay, in the starting of the each row there are spaces except last row. Okay, so we have to write one outer for loop for the each row and one inner for loop for the spaces and one another inner for loop to print the stars. Okay, now we'll see how to write the program. So I'm writing one outer for loop for the each row. For int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, and I plus plus. And after that, to print the spaces, if you observe in the first row, how many spaces are there totally to this, right? From here to here means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12. 12 spaces are there up to this, right? 13th element is printing already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 stars are 12 spaces are there. Okay, to print the 12 spaces, so what I have to do for int j equal to how 12 will be coming out. See how the spaces are there. In the first row 12 spaces, after that how many? 10, right? After that 6, 4, 6, 4, 10. See 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Here 10 space. How many spaces here? 12 spaces, right? 12, 10, 8, 6, 4 and 2 spaces, right? So for the first row there are 12 spaces, and for the second row there are 10 spaces, like that. So what we have to do, we have to take the formula as 2 into n minus I, right? If you so for the first row n equal to 7 and I equal to 1, right? So 2 into 7 minus 1, how much? 2 into 6, 12, right? For the second row I equal to 2, so 2 into 7 minus 2, 5, so 2 into 5, 10, right? For the third row I equal to 3, 2 into 7 minus 3, 4, 2 into 4, 8, like that. So we have to take the formula as 2 into n minus I spaces. Okay, and j greater than or equal to 1 as the spaces are in the decreasing order. See here more spaces are there, 12, 10, 8, like that. So I am taking j minus minus. After that so I am printing the spaces in the starting of the each row, one space. Okay, after that to print the stars, if you observe, the stars are in the increasing order by row by row. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, like that. So for int I equal for int j equal to 1. Okay, j less than or equal to I and j plus plus I am writing. After that I am printing the star. Okay, in between the stars I want spaces, that's why I am taking space. And after that I am coming into the next row. And after that I am closing the scanner class to avoid any resource leaks. Now we will see how the pattern is printing. So we are trying to print this pattern, right? So we'll see how the pattern is printing as of now. Enter rows as 7. Okay, so we got the pattern as we want, but we want spaces in middle, only left edge of the pattern and right edge of the pattern, and only last row of the pattern only we want to print. Remaining we we should replace the stars with the spaces, right? So for that we have to write if condition. So if whenever j equal to 1 we want stars, okay, and whenever j equal to a means right edge of the pattern, okay, and last row, right, for that I'm writing I equal to n, okay. Only in these cases I want stars, remaining all cases I want spaces. Okay, now we'll see how we will get the pattern. Okay, see here I have to take print a statement to print the spaces side by side, okay. This is so we got the pattern whatever we want, okay. So this is how we have to write the program to print this pattern. Hope you understand. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.